Hey everyone, today I'm checking out something that could seriously change the way you take care of your lawn. This is the new Sunseeker X3 Plus, a fully autonomous, wireless, robotic lawnmower designed to take lawn care off your plate entirely. Now, I've had the chance to test this thing out for the past few days, and I've got to say, it's very impressive. So let's talk about what it is, why I choose it, and why it just might be your next backyard upgrade. First off, setup. If you've ever dealt with robotic mowers that require boundary wires, you'll appreciate this. There's no wires. The Sunseeker uses a tech that's called AO Navi. It combines RTK GNSS satellite positioning with visual SLAM. Basically, high-end vision and GPS tech to figure out where it is and where it has been. No dinging wires, no perimeter setup, no headaches. It was out of the box and my lawn in less than 30 seconds. Now, why did I go with the Sunseeker brand? Honestly, innovation. I reviewed a bunch of outdoor gear, but what grabbed me here was how much of the process is automated and intelligent. We're talking about a mower that can detect and avoid over 200 different obstacles. That's more than most budget vacuums, let alone mowers. You'll see it actually steers around toys, garden beds, rocks, you name it. The obstacle avoidance isn't just a bump sensor, it's a vision-based AI. It sees what's in front of you and it makes decisions on the fly. It's surprisingly accurate in every test I had so far. And then there's the cutting quality. The X3 Plus uses a floating cutting system, which means it adjusts to uneven terrain for a consistent trim. The deck isn't fixed, it moves to match the contours of your lawn. The results? A clean cut every time. So at this point, you might be wondering, how does it handle real-world yards? Well, the X3 Plus is built for small to medium lawns, up to about a third of an acre. If you have slopes or rougher terrain, no problem. It's got an independent suspension and wheels so it can climb up to 17-degree incline. That's pretty solid for a robot that's this compact. The mowing path is smart too. You can manage everything through the Sunseeker app. Divide your lawn into zones, set schedules, adjust cutting height, and monitor even the battery. All through Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. It's super user-friendly. And when it needs juice, it just drives itself back to the charging dock. Battery gets low, it returns, charges up, and goes back out when it's ready. Oh, and there's something that I really appreciate. It's quiet. We're talking 59 decibels, basically a normal conversation. You can have this running in the morning and while the kids are napping and not worry about disturbing anyone. Here's a before and after shot of my lawn. You can see the difference clearly. Not only is the grass trimmed evenly, but there's none of that harsh scalping or missed patches that you sometimes get with manual mowing. And let's talk weather. It's got an IPX5 waterproof rating, so you can hose it down when needed. Plus, when it starts raining mid-mow, it has a built-in sensor and it will go back to the base automatically. No guesswork, no grass clumping. So if you're someone who wants a great-looking lawn but doesn't have the time to maintain it, or just hates mowing, the Sunseeker X3 Plus is worth a serious look. It's smart, efficient, and completely hands-off. I choose it because I want something that just works. No wires, no fuss, and no worrying about if it's going to run over the dog's toys. And Sunseeker as a brand, they're pushing forward with real tech here. No gimmicks. You can tell there's a lot of thought behind this design, and it shows how smoothly this thing operates. here's the bottom line. The Sunseeker X3 takes the hassle out of lawn care. No wires, no pushing, no noise. Just smart, quiet mower that handles the work for you. With its obstacle-avoiding AI, customizable zones, and sleek app control, it's kind of like having a landscaper who shows up every day and never complains. If you're tired of carving out time in your weekend just to mow the lawn, or you just want something that works smarter, this is it. I went with Sunseeker because I wanted something I could trust to do the job right without babysitting, and honestly, it delivered. If you're curious or thinking about making the jump to a robot mower, I'll leave a link below so you can check it out. Thanks for watching, and hey, if I don't have to mow again, maybe I'll get around to edging the driveway. See you next time.